guys? My name is Aaron, back again with another video, and today I'm at New Mexico, this house, and I'm not showing you the address. I'm not showing you address. So look at this. Is this a dust storm? I think it is. Well, still. So I'm at New Mexico right now, and there's sand dust. There's sand dust blowing out because it's windy out here. I don't even know what. It's windy out here, and it's covered with all sand, and you can hear something. It's all sand. It feels like the Sahara Desert. It feels like a Sahara Desert. Yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. And see you guys later on. Goodbye. Bye.